How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you right now error. Hey everybody, welcome back to Create, Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let us get started. So if you are facing the Marketplace problem, go ahead and open up your Facebook and try logging out of your device. Tap onto your profile, scroll at the bottom and tap onto Logout. Then tap onto Logout again and get logged back into your account. If it's still not working for you, go onto your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Facebook. And if you see update sign here, update your app. Then open up your phone's settings. Here scroll below to apps. Then search for Facebook and tap onto storage. Tap on clear cache, go back and just tap on force stop. Tap on OK. If it's still not solving your issue, then go ahead and open up your Facebook again, tap onto your profile on your top right. Scroll below and expand the option that says Help and Support. Here tap on to Report a Problem, tap on Report Problem. Tap on Include and choose the option of Marketplace. Now at the section that says Describe the issue, you could write that even though you have followed all the community guidelines of Facebook Marketplace, you are still facing the issue. And once you're done describing the issue, go ahead and tap on to Upload from Phone and attach a media. Once done, tap on Send at the top right. And if Facebook thinks that your reasons are valid, it will send you a message and all you have to do is wait for their inbox in your Facebook notifications and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you have found it to be helpful, then do like and subscribe. And to never miss valuable insights and updates, hit the notification bell. We will catch you up soon.